So it's time to talk about updating the meetings. There's a lot more to um, this. As far as doing it for the current year, it's fairly similar as far as putting in the links to the agendas or the meetings. A couple more things for the next meeting. Where it gets complicated is when you go from one year to the next. So we're going to demo going from 2013 to 2014 and all the things that you need to do to set this up. And we're going to try to do that within 10 minutes. That's kind of the limit on these videos. And we'll see if we can do that. So first thing we're going to talk about, let's talk about the current year. We're going to say right now that we're working on December, and we've now gotten the agenda for the December meeting. And so what I want to do is I'm going to go and I've now updated it to the media library. I've already put the December agenda to the meeting library. I'm going to go get that, and let's see if I can find it here. So the 12.3 agenda, and like I said before, if I go to edit, I can get the file URL for that. I'm going to copy it, and now I'm going to go back to the edit for this page. Okay, we're on this page. We're going to edit, and we're going to get into the code, edit page, which is going to give us this. So for this particular case, I've only really got two things to do. One is, since I've already got it in my copy, I'm going to go down here, and you can see we've got two in a row. So we've got two meetings, December and January listed, and we've got the agendas. Both of them are to be determined, but in the first one here for December, we've gotten that agenda. So I'm going to highlight the hashtag so that I can paste in that file URL that I copied from the document in the media library. The other thing I'm going to do is remove the TBD from that agenda because it's now active. The second thing I'm going to do, besides putting it there just for ongoing, is I'm going to put this into the minutes, in the agenda of the month itself. So I'm going to, again, highlight the hashtag, copy in the file URL, and remove the TBD. And then, as we said before, I'm going to go update that. So let me hit update. And it's done. And if I go back to here now and I refresh this page, you can see my to be determined agenda is gone, and it's also done here. So that's why we did it two places. We did it once in the next meetings area, and we did another for permanent history. Let me go down here a little bit. It's kind of off the edge. We went down here to the permanent history and put it in here. And so let me just do this once. What it's done is it downloaded it. Because it's a Word document in Chrome, it works a little differently. But let me bring it over here. And you can see there's the agenda that it downloaded. Okay, so that's the easy part. If we go back and look at this code, what we're really doing is we're saying in my next meetings area, I'm going to constantly maintain, here are the two meetings that I want what the dates are. If I don't have the document, the agenda document yet, I want to make sure that each one of those, it's a hashtag in the href, and it says agenda to be determined, as opposed to if I have the document, I'm going to put the actual file URL, and then I'm going to put the take the to be determined off. Now the same thing is true when you get the agenda document. You're going to actually put it in and take the to be determined off. It's automatically set up to be like the minutes here. But once you get it, you can put in the file URL. And then the same thing would be true for the minutes. Once you get the minutes, you only have one place to put it, and that would be in the ongoing history area. You're going to replace this hashtag with the file URL that you uploaded to the media library and take the TBD off. And it's as simple as that. So let's go back and talk about creating a new year. And actually, now that I think about it, this has taken long enough to do. Just so we don't run out of time, let's talk about the new year on a new video and wrap this one up here. It's pretty much similar to updating documents on the policy position and the miscellaneous documents. You're talking about replacing that hashtag with file URLs and just updating the little the description that's between those two angle brackets as to whether it has a TBD or not a TBD. Okay, so carry on with the next video, which will be meetings for a new year, and we'll do that. All right, thanks.